A traditional Jeep costs 200 to 600,000 pesos. A modern Jeep costs 2.8 million pesos. But don't worry, those transitioning will receive a subsidy naman daw of only 160,000 pesos. That's just 6% of the entire cost, meaning mababaon pa sa utang ang mga operator just to upgrade. If the strike continues, mobility could be severely hampered and could impact economic activity. If the modernization continues, drivers will have to make their money back. So baka tumaas pa yung presyo ng sakay. Or if not, hindi na lang sila magmamaneho at mabuhasan pa tayo ng mga jeep. This will also increase the demand for private transport, making it even more expensive. That's it for your market life update. Follow for more finance news and hacks.